Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. If you're visiting the channel for a very first time, then this is my small introduction. I'm thankful for each and every member because it's just you and only you who is helping me and this channel to grow. I thoroughly enjoy learning and sharing Salesforce knowledge with you. Please keep watching, sharing and motivating others to subscribe to your channel. Let's start with today's topic. So in the day 5, we will learn about two topics today. One is the type of licenses and second one is how to enable our partner user. These topics are very important because now we have learned about, in the 4 days, we have learned about uh, much, more about the basic thing about the community or experience cloud. Now our requirement is how to choose the suitable license for our business requirement. Now, for example, for those people who are completely not aware about the term license, in a layman language or in a very practical example, uh, I want to tell you license. What license means is, let's say you are going to purchase a new car, and in every car we have a different variants. Each variant is available in a different cost with a different, the facilities, or you can say different features. Licenses also helps us in the same way. In what manner? In the, each license will have a different pricing, different features. So in the Salesforce Experience Cloud, we have three licenses available. One is the community, community plus, and the partner. When I say the community, this is a very basic license. And to understand to set a picture in your mind, this is something like Quora, where you can discuss with the other people, who is using Quora. You can, the search for the solutions. You can, the search for the discussions. You can search for topics, as well as if you have some problem or you want to communicate related to any product, then you can create a case as well using this community license. The next advanced version as compared to community is community plus. What is the advance? The only advantage we have here is it gives the report and dashboard access. The third, which is the highest license in the Experience Cloud, is the partner. And when we say the partner, it helps in the sales process through our distribution channel, as well as it helps us in by giving the access to the Salesforce objects. So that means our partner users will always have the access to our Salesforce object, which means that each partner user can create the record, can update the record based on their requirement. So today we are going to see how to enable the partner user. But having said that, this is very important to know about the licenses, because then only you will be justifying that what is my requirement and which license I should use. We will see today enable partner user, and tomorrow we will see about the enabling the community user. And in today's session we will see about in detail how to enable the partner user with each and every error. Before I start, let me try to make my setup as a scratch. Just a minute. Let me stop share first. Just give me a second because I want to show you something. So okay, so this is my user. Oh, sorry, Manish. I forgot to. I'm sharing my screen again. So this is my user, and I'm removing the role from here. Oops. And save. See, we get the message that this user owns account associated with portal user and must belong to a role. Let me do one thing. Let me try to delete those account because my intention is to show you the complete detail. Won't be because it has to be with the okay. I have to delete all. Sorry, I'm taking your few minutes extra. I think still I won't be able to delete it. No problem. I will try to explain you this scenario completely. So let's start. So first of all, we will go to the account in the object manager account. Are you able to see my screen, Manish? And in the page layout, we will see that because we are using the sales cloud, so we are into the same page layout. Now here we have enable as partner. So since this is already available here, so in case if it is not available in your org, you have to select and drag it in the page layout. Now save it. Now the next the object which we are going to use. So basically, when we enable our partner user, we use the three object: account, contact, and user. So now we have the contact, page layout, sales, and sales buttons enable. So this is not available in the page layout. Let me drop it in the right section. Okay. Now this part is complete. Let me go to my, sorry, Manish, classic. Okay. I mean, in whichever the way or UI you are comfortable, I am always happy to share my knowledge, whatever I have with you, and I really enjoy. So right now, what we have done is we have the dragged the button enable as partner in the account as well as in the contact. Now we are creating one account. So now you can see there will be one option here, manage external account. So we will click on enable as partner. Before that, let's do one thing. Let's create contact. Okay, done this part. Now let's go to the account. Click on enable as partner. Once an account is enabled as partner, it appears in the report and list view that are filtered that on is partner field. Additionally, partner users can be created from contact account contacts associated with this account. Okay. Now let's go to the contact, and from here enable partner user. So it will be navigating to user object. Now we have to choose our partner community login or partner community. Now here when we create, the or we work on the user object, we generally get few errors. One is which I'm going to show you right now if I will get. If not, then also I will they explain you that how that error the appears. So, or let me do one thing. Let me first the remove that that setup so that you can see that error as well. Committee. Okay. Digital experience or settings, sorry. And here we have allow using standard external profile. So I am unchecking it because in your hour, when you will try, this will not be enabled for the first time. So and we are using the standard profile. So it will throw an error. Then we have to come here. We have to check this checkbox. Okay. So let's try with that. Now I have to give the email ID. Okay. So just a minute, I forgot my email ID. Let me, paste my email ID here. Just give me a second, please. I'm sorry, I'm taking your too much time. Okay, let me share my screen again. And in the email ID, I have given this email. The username I am giving as sample external R. Okay, now active. We will uncheck this checkbox. We will uncheck this checkbox. Okay, we will make sure that generate new password and notify user immediately should be checked, because as soon as we will create it, a welcome email to our user will be triggered, and it, our external user will receive that email through which they can they create the password and everything. Okay, let's save it. See, this is what I was telling you. To create or update user for this profile, go to setup, digital experience, setting, and select allow external user. So we have already opened this thing. How? Digital experience, settings, and allow using external profile. Okay. Nothing else we have to do extra. Okay, now save it. Now one more error we generally get, that is let me show you. So we have this account, and account owner is professional SFTC, correct? This is the account owner, correct? Right? So what error we get in, the related to the account owner is, let's say if our account owner same will not have the role, then it will throw another error that assign the role to the account owner. Okay, then only you will be able to, once you will enable, you will give the role, then it will not throw an error. Okay, so now your this part is complete. Now let me show you one more thing. Now you have done your this part. Okay, so let's say you completed your this part, and to show you, you have these sides. Okay, so what I will do, I have to give this user access of any of this site. So I'm going to the workspace, and in the administrator I will click on members. Now here I will get the option to choose which profile you want to add. I mean, which type of profile, internal or external or all kind of the profile. So let's say I'm going to select the partner. What is my profile? Partner community user. Add. Okay. If you want to give some permission set, you can give it. We will discuss later on. No worries about it. Saved. Okay. Now we have done this part. Which side we have chosen? I mean, in which side we are? We are in this side, correct? So and as soon as I have added an email we have received. Okay. As a administrator, you will receive an email. Now publish. Okay. You have done the part. Your site published. Okay. Now what? Now I am closing this. I'm closing this. Okay. I'm closing this. I'm closing this. I'm here. Now what I will do, I will click on here. Login into experience as user. Now you have seen that, I have logged out from the, I have closed the window of the Experience Cloud. And you have logged in. Okay. Easy. How? From here. Okay. So this is all about, is the part of enabling the partner user. Practice it, and then you can, share your views, your questions, and I will be answering your question. Meanwhile, I will connect with you again. In case you have any, the questions, we will discuss first those questions. Otherwise, we will move with the next topic. And for my all the viewers, all my friends, my my inspirations, please, if you like my content, please like it, share it with your friends. Already we have the completed our with complete course of Apex learning from scratch to the advanced. The complete playlist is already available. Lightning we are working on. We have already uploaded the lightning content. uh, you know Admin, we have, we are always, updating it with the new content. So whatever source you want to, the learn, we are trying to help you with. uh, and in case you have some topic, I always love to, to know what topic you are interested in, so that I can share my knowledge. I always wait for your emails, your, the messages, your comments, and I work. uh, I mean, this channel is because of you and your support. So please enjoy learning it, and let me know how you feel, how you know, and this is a enjoyable session, or you think that nothing is going to, help you. Thank you very much for watching this. Please subscribe and stay safe. Bye. Take care.